How are you all? Hope you are doing good and you are enjoying Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you.
In this video, I'll talk about all the home decorations I did for this Diwali. You might see this video a day later, but you can always take ideas from here for your upcoming ones. I'll show you how I have decorated my puja place. You can see a canopy in the background. I tried to make a canopy kind of a thing with a new piece of cloth I had in my cupboard. I hope you like the overall decoration, and I have put these fairy string lights over here so that it will enhance the backdrop. Yeah, and inside a glass bottle I have put fairy lights, and I have kept it on the side table near the puja place. I've brought that background canopy cloth from a store, very famous store here in Chennai, that is called RMKV. Yeah, this cloth I have got from RMKV. It is a beautiful piece of cloth. This is my wooden partition that I have got from Amazon. Some 1 year back, I think so, and I have decorated it with fairy lights. Yeah, here it's me. Partition is looking beautiful, isn't it, guys? So this is how I decorated my puja corner this time. So here I am preparing vermicelli kheer. We both love it, and actually my milk got spoiled, so I am preparing this kheer with 1 bottle of Milkmaid. Yeah, and these are fried vermicellis that I got from Big Bazaar. So yes, this is my final kheer. So this is my living room, which has a sofa, a center table and a corner table and a small painting over there. So yes, so this is the center table that I have got from Pepperfry. And this is how I have decorated the center table. Just a leaf-like structure which I have earlier shown you in my home center haul video. An aroma candle, a jar of dry fruits and a tea light candle holder. So in this living room, this is my sofa. This is a multi-utility sofa which can be used for storage, as a bed, for sitting, everything. And these are a set of cushions that I have used. You can see a glimpse of yellow, multicolor also, and also cream color, off-white, everything. So this year I had planned for like the theme should be yellow or off-white. So accordingly I have put everything. You can see the sofa throw is off-white, these cushions are yellow or else multicolor. The sofa cover is also cream color. This year I have chosen this color theme so that the room would look spacious and vibrant and soothing to our eyes. And I hope you like my small and simple living room. So these are the sheer curtains, off-white sheer curtains that I have got from Big Bazaar, and I have used it over here again for the same reason. It will be soothing to our eyes. And here I have used string lights over here to enhance the sheer curtains. I hope you like it. Isn't it looking beautiful? So this is the small corner table, and unfortunately my flower vase broke, so I have used one oil can as a flower vase and put some fairy lights inside it and used some red flowers. So for our dinner, there are different varieties, colors and sizes of snacks are here ready to be served. But before dinner, I'll show you my bedroom. So going by the color theme of this year that I had chosen, that is yellow and off-white, accordingly I have decorated my bedroom. So these are the yellow and off-white pillow covers. In the middle I have placed one big yellow cushion. And in the center I have placed a beautiful cushion that has been gifted by my sister-in-law. It is a beautiful patchwork cushion. It's an assortment of colors. As you can see up close, it has got stitches over it which makes it look even beautiful, and the cushion is made up of a special type of clothing which is called as patto in Odia. So this is a beautiful lemon yellow color quilt that again goes with the theme. It has got beautiful parrot prints all over it and stitches all over it as you saw in the cushion. And this completes my bedroom decor. So this is another part of my living room. This is a storage cupboard, and on top of it I have placed this beautiful leaf that I have shown in my earlier videos, and those are wooden Russian dolls and a painting on top. And yes, this is right beside my puja corner.
So thank you all for watching this video, and thanks for being a part of my Diwali celebrations 2020. So yeah, bye, good night, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and yes, so I'll start my dinner with kheer and snacks. These are palak murku. And these are banana chips, and I'm forgetting the name. This is a very famous snack here in Chennai. Okay, so I'll start my dinner now. So bye bye, see you guys in another interesting video. Bye, love you all.